What's up my YouTube gang, I am a man Umar Sheikh and today I will teach you that how you can earn money with the help of Dropbox. So keep watching this video, we'll be right back to do some gang bang.
Preview.
Okay, now what you have to do that you have to go to the website Capterra. This is the best website which contains bundle of software categories. It has too many softwares. It has too many softwares. It has stacks of softwares. Here you can find you are seeing that these are search bar. So you have to type Dropbox. You have type Dropbox here. It shows many options. Go to the first option, Dropbox Business. It takes you to the next leading page. Here you can see there is a complete description of the Dropbox business. That what is Dropbox and what is Dropbox business point of view, and etc. Please scroll down the bar, and here you can see there are many reviews, many pros and cons. There are many reviews, pros and cons. You have to make a new tab of this reviews and another new tab of write a review. Why I doing this, I will tell you later. Now come to first tab of writing a review. Actually this website is kind of reviewing. They will pay you money on behalf of writing a review. This is not an lengthy review. This is just to the point review. You have to I mean to say that you have to it will take your I can say that it will take your 5 to 6 minutes to completion. For this completion it is not a big problem. So you have to fill this review like I am going to fill this review. Once we have completed the overall form as we have seen here, then go to next. There are 3 procedures. One procedure is done and other 2 procedures are left. Okay, on the basis of the quality they will judge you. You have to give them best of best quality of every quality. Whether it is optional or not, you have to appoint him a overall quality. As I mentioned here, I gave him the good rating. Real time vision is like conflict tracking, I give you 4 maybe. You can also mention here critical conflict tracking. Conflict tracking I will take the low. Audit trail good, synchronization is good, backup recovery is good, cloud backup is good, remote synchronization is good, two-way synchronization is good. You can add here. Make it critical. Oh, here pricing, make it like something like this, not much experience. How does pricing of Dropbox business compare to similar products? you can see the full pricing, or you can, according to your own. Some softwares are very inexpensive, some software are expensive. How would I like to do that? Recommend Dropbox business to friendly colleagues. I will give you $10. Then go to next procedure. This is the main thing. This is the main thing upon which they will judge you and pay you money. Otherwise, they will not pay you money. For this, I have another tab like this. That is why I've told you that open two tabs. Now there are many viewers who have done their reviewing. So what we will do, we will just copy paste that review. But remember that your title should be your own language. I mean to say, this is your own rephrasing verb. Title your review. It is only this should be in one line review, one line title. So like I can write there I make it like storage handshake. You can make an other whatever you want. This is a key open sentence kind of. This is a key sentence. That is why it is. Now what are the prawns? You have to pick the prawns here. Copy the prawns and paste it here. And if it's about prawns, then pick the prawns of other ones. Like these are the prawns. Take it from here. Next thing is describe your overall experience with the Dropbox. Take it from another one. Do you want to switch in other product? No. Do you want to integrate in any other product with Dropbox? Yes. You can link anything like LinkedIn. Okay, what business problem are you solving with the Dropbox? What benefits you have? You have to describe this line in this section. So for this you have to do this framework. There are many tons of you can say many tons of reasons. You can pick any one. Like reason what they are saying. What business problems are you solving with the business? What benefit you have, guys? Better features and security. Good Google Drive permissions are complicated and for the zipper download. Setup is accurate. No satisfaction user. They are main terms of. We are saying that switch from regions for switching. But they are saying that describe all experience with the Dropbox. You can say that what do we do in the overall experiences. You can pick from any lines that you can also choose this line. This line fits well in this proportion. That describe overall experience. So my experience tells me that we use a lot of features in this feature. You can also use this feature. Enter the product name. I don't know. Then by clicking the submitting and then submit button, just click this. Only capitalized letters are allowed, not allowed. Okay. Storage handshake. Now you can check. Okay, your product has been submitted. So that's it, we have done it. Now you have to wait for a few days. Once they have passed your review, they will tell you further terms and conditions, like how they send you money, something like that. So you have to now wait for a few days. Then after that they will inform you that what are the next procedures. So that's it about the today's bang. So I will request you, please share my video more and more, and please support me, and thanks for love and support. Take care. Goodbye.